This video chart presentation of GEVO Inc. It's a NASDAQ Global Market stock trading our ticker GEVO. This chart caught my eye because of holding a decent support level right here around $1.80. And then I happened to notice they put out some news after the closing bell yesterday. So it's a chart I think I want to keep an eye on today to see if that news helps drive this technical setup and see if it wants to continue this small little move it's made over the last couple days to break back through this 50-day moving average and potentially challenge this 200-day moving average. You can see in the short term, histogram bars popping through zero, saying a bullish cross is happening. In the long term, it's a nice positive divergence. MACD making a nice upward channel. Price per share has been trending down. That's an optimistic sign for a reversal. Coming off kind of a loose PPO ADX pinch. Again, PPO trending upward. ADX has certainly cooled off. Very neutral reading at this point. Not a lot of strength to the direction. Of course, what I'd look for is a rotation. Break through a 20 and ultimately 30 with the ADX itself to show that the direction is gaining some strength. MFIs, see when they made a move, broke through 50. Try and scroll up, go right through that area. You can see the strength that was being gained, the upward pressure in the chart. Held above 50. When it's holding above 50, it says people are paying higher prices for the stock over the given periods. It's a bullish indication to be above that level. Dipped down below, went a little bearish. But all three reversing course now, looking like they're going to break through 50 again. Accumulation distribution appears to have found a base. Shaking money flow still in the red, signaling that selling pressure is still dominating buying pressure over a 20-day period. But again, sharp little move over the last couple days, starting to equalize, move back towards zero. Commodity channel on a nice uptrend, breaking through zero. Again, it's a barometer of current prices, and breaking through 50 says it's trading above its 20-day mean. Full stow. Coming out of oversold territory, now pushing on 50, signaling that the momentum in the chart's strengthening. And the trick is a lagging indicator. Looks like it's starting to flatten out now. And of course, I'd just be looking for a bullish cross in the future. RSIs, pretty good theme going on through here if you can't tell. Had some nice momentum building over a course of a few months. Really lost all steam, lost about $1 a share, but now is based again. And it looks like it's going to try and take on some upward pressure. And you can read that in the RSI as well. As they break down through 50, chart gets bearish. Now looking to break back up through 50. Want to see if the chart's going to go back bullish. Regarding the candles, I'd certainly look for a bottom support all the way down there at $1.36. But the stock closing at $2.06. That support level is just too far away. I'd come more back into this area, right around $1.80. Held a support back in September, October, and early on in November. Holding again as support over the last month or so. Served as some resistance throughout the end of last year. So that's definitely a key point in an area I'd want to see hold. If it breaks through that, odds are it's going to come back down here and test this bottom again. Now to the upside, in any chart, moving back above the 50-day moving average is a key component. There is certainly some static resistance that ties in with that area. So I'll be looking for a volume surge and a break back through that 50-day and above that static resistance. To really increase the odds, this is going to come up here and try and challenge old highs around 275. 200-day moving average is coming down. Of course, it's dynamic. Right now it's up near $3, but it's going to continue to move downward. It's going to reinforce that area. So I'd expect that to be a very tough spot. But again, that's more than 30% move from where current price. And I'd be looking for it from there just to try and go up and fill this gap to 310. Again, that's a nice upside. More than $1 a share. It's about a 50% move. And at that point, it would be pushing on this critical moving average, the 200-day. What to move above that in the most basic technical analysis is known to be very bullish. Volume's upticked the last couple days. Again, today what I'd look for is a heavy dose of volume to try and push through that tough resistance. And if it does, I think there's a very good chance it's going to challenge at least this 275 mark sometime in the near future. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the GEVO chart. But as always, merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching and trade smart.